My lord, I am appearing through BC for 20.1, my lord, of last Jan. My lord, I am praying to look, appreciate Lordship order dated for 24 November 2025, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, on order dated Lordship 24/11/2025, the Honorable Court had directed to
So where are
produce
the,
the
where are
marks.
the comparative marks?
My lord, at my rejoinder, my lord, the document number is 18149 2025 and that है पैरा 6 लॉर्डशिप. मैंने टेबल जो है पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी बनाए हैं उनके डॉक्यूमेंट्स पे लगाए मैंने. जो पिटिशनर इसमें जनरल से ज्यादा है सिर्फ उन्हीं के लगाए मैंने. और उसके टेबल है RJ4 पैरा 7, पिटिशन नंबर 3 धर्मेंद्र कुमार शर्मा, पिटिशन नंबर 5 चंदन द्विवेदी, पिटिशन नंबर 7 दीक्षा श्रीवास्तव and petition number 10 Rahul Kumar Kaur. So these petitioners are secured more marks than.
Learned counsel for the respondent for the petitioner submits that petitioner in paragraph 6 of the rejoinder has given instances of the petitioners at serial number 3, 5, 7 and 10 who have scored more than the last selected candidate in the unreserved category. For rest, we dismiss the petition.
Your Lordship, I have moved in covering memo along with the petition.
I have also moved in covering memo.
You have, where are those,
Appended the table, Your Lordship.
where are those documents?
Your Lordship, mine is WP 40275 of 2025.
You've also given those
I
details.
have
नहीं,
appended.
इस petition में तो 3 ही है ना?
In
4 ही है इस
that
petition
petition
में.
there are 4, but
3,
4
5,
है
7
पैरा
and 10.
7 4 है.
What about the others?
Others, my lord, withdraw, my lord. I'm
Then
praying.
you move an appropriate application that we press it on their behalf ताकि कम से कम रिकॉर्ड तो करेक्ट हो.
तो उसके तरफ डिसमिस भी हो जाए कोई दिक्कत नहीं लॉर्डशिप, बिकॉज मैंने अपने सारे कैंडिडेट से मैंने संपर्क किए जो उन्होंने मुझे दिया बस उनका मैंने रिकॉर्ड डाल
Counsel
दिया.
for the petitioner submit that or in all cases you filed, petitioners have filed documents evidencing that some of the petitioners have scored more than the last selected candidate in the unreserved category. Learned counsel for the respondent, please for some time to take instructions. At request, list urgency.
Your
The
Lordship.
urgency in this matter.
Urgency
is that,
lordship,
Your
document
Lordship,
verification
they have
is going on
started the
and
document
choice filling भी हो गई
verification
है.
They have started the document verification
When is
process.
it to
Documents are uploaded. The last date was 26th. My interim prayer would be, my lord, they may kindly allow us to upload the document at least.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Because we are above the merit, we have secured more than the last person.
Say re-notify on 18 December 2025. In the meantime, the respondent shall verify the documents submitted by the petitioners, and those petitioners who have scored more than the last selected candidates in the unreserved category would be permitted to upload their documents without prejudice to their rights and contentions and subject to further orders.
I'm obliged, sir. My appearance be marked in my cases.
I will, Lord.
My appearance be marked in my cases, sir.
Give your appearances in whichever cases.
I'm obliged.